Hey everybody, we're back. I want to show you today how to make Mickey head silhouettes and cut them out of hearts. I think this is going to be super cute. I'm going to do this on some of my fish extender gifts. I think I might do it on those little cosmetic pouches or even a tote bag. May even do family shirts with this. Possibilities are endless. So let's get started. We're in Cricut Design space and we're going to ask for a new file. So first off we have to do is make our Mickey Mouse. If you followed one of my other tutorials, this is really simple, really quick. It's basically 3 circles, so we're going to get 3 circles here. 1, 2, 3. I like to work in bigger circles so that it's easier. I'm going to size the 2 ears at 3 inches. So we've got those sized. We're going to size the body at, or the bulk of the head at 5. I like to space these 2 inches apart. Then we're just going to click and drag our head over here, line our head up the way we want it, and select this whole thing. Let's weld it together. Click on weld. It's now one piece. Now for our heart. Very simple. We've got a heart in our shapes here. Click on your heart. We're going to, this is 8 inches tall, so let's make the heart 9 inches tall. So we're going to go up here to size to the height, change it to 9. There's our 9. We're going to make this a different color just so that we can work with it and see what we're working with. We'll make this heart red. Since we made this heart after we made the head, we're going to need to bring our head forward. So with our head selected, we're going to go to Arrange at the top here and click Move Forward. That way this is now in front of our heart. With both the heart and the head selected, we can go to Align and click on Center. This is going to center our one shape over the other shape. So now you see you have that all centered up. From that point, we're just going to go ahead, if you don't already have it selected, both shapes selected, we're going to select those shapes and we're going to go down here to Slice on your bottom right. Click on Slice. We now have cut this shape out of the other shape. We know we have because we're going to click and drag our black head out of there. Click and drag our red head out of there. We now have our heart with our Mickey Mouse clicked out of it or cut out of it. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Possibilities are endless. Join me again for the next tutorial. The next one I will show you is, a little teaser here, my Mickey Mouse head right here with the little buttons. I just thought it was cute, something to do, a little more building on the skills we learned in the slice function to do this. As always, have fun. Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment to show me what you would like to see next. Thank you. Bye.